Afternoon to all of you guys. I have something to show you guys. This magic the cookware cleaner. Yes. This one guys, this is the cookware cleaner guys. Yan, para siyang sand. It's the same as not the same but looks like the same as a sand. And I use that one guys for cleaning my my casserole or anything in the kitchen. And I put a little bit this liquid dishwashing. So now guys, I will try to scrub. Guys, very effective. I did not put too much force guys, but see that one guys. See, I did not put too much force. Look, very effective guys. Wow guys, this is not fake guys, this is not fake, this is true. See, nice guys, wow guys, wow guys. Walang kung ano. Ito lang ginamit mo, Scotch Brite. Wow. Itong lagyan ko tubig. Tubig. Okay. Wow. Lagyan pa natin ng lipsi. Wow. Kuha, itong lagyan natin ha. Lagyan natin. Kuha tayo. Kuha tayo ng okay. Kunti lang. Ngayon, i-ano natin, gamitin natin to. No, guys, grabe guys, dali guys, guys, tingnan nyo, look at that guys, see, What's that? Mm. Wow. Lagyan natin tubig guys ha. Oh, wow. Ang ganda guys. Woo. Nice guys no. Yes. Linis na. Ayusin ko to. Okay guys. Ito guys, ano to? Hindi to, guys. Tape ba? Tape. You know, na-stick siya. Tape. Hindi to siya, ano, sa kahoy or tape. Pero, at least, ganda na. Nawala na yung kaan. Okay guys, yun lang. You have to click subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Kordapya in Australia. Bye-bye.